Imagine entering a meeting where everyone hears you clearly, background chaos is gone, and you feel completely in control. That's the power of mastering audio in Microsoft Teams. Let's start by understanding why noise suppression matters. Every click, shuffle, or distant chatter can disrupt focus. Microsoft Teams' audio settings help you filter out distractions and sound your best. Ready to take charge? Follow each step, and you'll become the audio pro your team deserves. First, open Microsoft Teams on your device. Look toward the top right and click your profile picture. In the menu that appears, select Settings. Inside Settings, find and click on Devices. This is your command center for all things audio. Here's where you'll choose your microphone and speakers. Use the drop-down menus to select the devices you use most. Want to make sure it sounds good? Click the Make a Test Call button. You'll record a quick message and Teams will play it back so you can hear how you'll sound to others. Now, onto noise suppression. Just below your audio device selections, find the noise suppression option. Click the drop-down and you'll see options: auto, low, high, or off. Auto intelligently adjusts based on your environment. Choose high to block out the most background noise, ideal for busy or noisy settings. Just remember, some very subtle background sounds may also be filtered out. Pick low if you want your voice to come through naturally and only filter the loudest interruptions. Once you've selected your preferred noise suppression, close the settings window. Your changes save automatically. If you ever struggle with echoes or feedback in a meeting, look for the small microphone icon at the bottom. Muting yourself when not speaking prevents interference. Remember, great audio transforms collaboration. With these simple steps, you'll prevent distractions, sound confident, and make every meeting smoother. Your team and your future self will thank you.